Assalamu alaikum. Today topic is about personality stable. What is personality stable? Behavior is a function of the situation and person in the situation. People personalities can be described in a variety of ways. Personality is the pattern of relatively enduring ways in which a person feels, thinks and behaves. Second one is personality is an important factor in accounting for why employees act the way they do in organizations. Behavioral and social cognitive theories. In this reciprocal determinism, the person's behavior and the environment all influence one another. Organizational culture, values, beliefs, attitudes, and assumptions put into action through behavior. Now we read about big five model of personality. First one is extroversion, agreeableness, emotional stability, consciousness, openness to experience. Now we speak in detail of these big five models of personality. फर्स्ट वन इज़ एक्सट्रोवर्जन. हम इसका लो लेवल भी देखेंगे, हाई लेवल भी देखेंगे. नाउ वी रीड अबाउट एक्सट्रोवर्जन. सोशबिलिटी. लो लेवल इज़ क्वाइट, विथड्रॉन, अनअसर्टिव एंड हाई लेवल इज़ आउटगोइंग, एनर्जेटिक. Likes to meet new people and willing to comfort others. Introverts tends to be reserved, tamed and quiet. Second one is we have agreeableness. Agreeableness, individual propensity to defer to others. In its low level is called disagreeableness, antagonistic. This is its low level. High agreeableness people, cooperative, warm and trusting. Third one is consciousness, a measure of reliability. A high consciousness person is responsible, organized, dependable and persistent. Includes traits related to achievement. Traits include high credibility, conformity and organization. Emotional stability. In this, a person's ability to withstand stress. People with positive emotional stability tend to be calm, self-confident and secure. The fine line between stable and unstable. Stable is being calm, good and under pressure, relaxed and secure. Unstable is nervous, anxious, poor under pressure, insecure. Those with high negative scores tend to be nervous, anxious and depressed and insecure. Openness to experience. Fifth one is big five model of personality. Fifth one is openness to experience. The range of interests and fascination with novelty. Extremely open people are creative, curious and artistically sensitive. Traits related to being willing to change and try new things. Individuals typically are willing to take calculated risks. Those at the other end of the openness category are conventional and find comfort in the familiar. Today's topic is about big five model of personality. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you.